The campus environment, although often considered a place of learning and self-development, is also a source of stress for many students. High academic demands, pressure to meet expectations, time considerations, financial problems, and social relationship dynamics are some of the main causes of stress that are often experienced. In addition, adaptation to a new environment, feelings of isolation, and challenges in maintaining a balance between personal life and studies further aggravate this situation. This stress, if not managed properly, can negatively impact student mental and physical health as well as interfere with their academic achievement. Hi guys, my name is Angel Dominica.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rafi Aldi Prasetyo.
Hello, my name is Zahratul Ulia.
Hello guys, my name is Salsabila Pramudita.
Hello guys, my name is Novita Indasari.
Academic pressures. Academic stress often arises due to the accumulation of assessments, approaching exams, and high expectations for the best grades, all of which can make students feel mentally and emotionally overwhelmed. All of which can trigger stress and disturb the balance of student life. Some ways to deal with academic pressure is a campus environment are to create a regular study schedule, break down larger tasks into small parts to make them easier to work on, and use time management techniques such as Pomodoro.
Number 2. Poor time management. Poor time management is often caused by an inability to balance attention between academic obligations, such as lectures and assignments, with the need for social activities. As a result, the workload accumulates, productivity decreases, and the quality of the result achieved becomes less than optimal. Some ways to overcome the pressure of peer management are prioritize tasks with to-do lists, use time management apps like Notion or Google Calendar, and learn to say no to things that don't matter.
3. Finance. Financial stress is a common challenge faced by students, especially due to various factors that affect their academic condition. For example, daily living needs, such as the cost of food, transportation, and housing, add to the financial burden. So often they are forced to rely on loans or family assistance, which in the end adds to the psychological pressure. Some ways to overcome financial stress in a campus environment are create a monthly budget, look for a part-time job, and take advantage of available scholarships.
Social life in college student. Societal pressures such as the demands to follow a certain lifestyle or conform to group expectation can also add to the mental burden. The combination of these factors can disrupt student emotional balance, affect their mental health, and hinder academic productivity and daily life. Some ways to overcome the pressure of social life in the campus environment are to build good communication with friends, join a community organization to expand association, and give yourself time if you feel socially tired.
Number 5. Lack of physical activity due to tight lecture schedules worsens their health conditions. The combination of this factor not only impacts student physical health, but also their mental health, which can ultimately interfere with concentration, productivity, and overall well-being. Some ways to overcome health stress in students in the campus environment are getting enough sleep 7 to 8 hours per night, consuming healthy food such as vegetables, fruit, and protein, and taking time for leg exercise such as walking.
6. Life changes. The transition period in students' life is often a significant source of stress due to various changes that must be faced. Students are required to adapt to a new environment that may be far different from their various comfort zones. The pressure to enter the workforce, whether through internship or preparing for a career after graduation. All of these factors contribute to psychological pressure that requires wise handling so as not as interfere with the welfare of students. Some ways to cope with academic pressures in the campus environment are accept change as part of life, stay connected with the family via phone or video call, as well as talk to friends who have had similar experience.
Number 7. Unrealistic expectation. Encouragement from parents, lecturers, or the surrounding environment who demand high achievement without considering individual limitations also worsens the conditions. As a result, students feel overwhelmed, lose confidence, and are prone to mental exhaustion, which can ultimately hinder their overall development. Some ways to overcome unrealistic expectations in a campus environment are set realistic goals, appreciate small achievements, and don't compare yourself to others.
8. Romantic relationships. Stress in romantic relationships is often a significant problem for college students. The main causes of this stress include conflicts that occur in the relationship, such as differences of opinion or incompatibility, which can worsen communication and trust between couples. This factor can affect a student's mental and academic health, making managing stress in a romantic relationship very important. Some ways to deal with the stress of a romantic relationship in a college environment are to communicate your needs and feelings with your partner, focus on personal growth if the relationship ends, and don't let the relationship drain academic priorities.
9. Self-doubt. A lack of confidence in one's own abilities can make students feel anxious and afraid to failure, especially when faced with a difficult task or an important exam. They tend to doubt their potential, which ultimately lower their motivation and worsen their mental state. Some ways to overcome the pressure of feeling uncomfortable in the campus environment are identify and change negative mindset, focus on the strengths and skills you have, and ask for feedback from friends or lecturers to know your progress.
10. Too much commitment. Too many commitments carried out by students can be one of the main causes of stress. Many students are involved in a variety of organizations and extracurricular activities. This stress arises because students feel trapped in the demands of various responsibilities, often without having enough time to rest or focus on their studies, ultimately affecting their physical and emotional well-being. Some ways to overcome the pressure of too much commitment in a campus environment are to evaluate and reduce unnecessary burdens, focus on what really benefits, and take time to rest.